Yo, welcome to the stream, everybody. I had some audio issues, that's why I'm a bit late, but I'm doing fine. Welcome, the early birds, Coded Spirit, and YZmon. Hey guys, what's going on? What's poppin'? I'm a bit annoyed because of Linux audio right now. That was not pleasant to work with. But anyways, we're back with another stream, you know, as always. Get something to drink. Water is highly suggested. It's kind of underrated, so you should try water. So yeah, how's it going, guys? Say hi in the chat if you're new around here. Introduce yourself. Who's watching? All right, who's watching? I want to know. I just see numbers. I see like 3 people watching, but I don't know who's watching, so I need to see it. What's popping, guys? Let's see. I'm just gonna refresh my tab here. Give me a second. For some reason, YouTube is very slow. Internet random bots are watching you. Probably. Just probably not actually, because I know you guys are real, right? You guys are real, right? If you're not a bot, then we are all good. Your girlfriend watches you secretly. Do you know that? Who's my girlfriend? I don't have a girlfriend, dude. I'm a virgin now. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Hey, Transistoric, what's up, man? What's poppin'? What's going on? So you might be asking about the title of the stream, and I just want to give you guys a quick update on my previous stream, because I worked on this very not complicated but very in-depth bug in Ratatui in that stream. We were trying to figure out what's going on with that bug where everything gets corrupted, and it turns out after I created the PR for that fix, I realized that it was already fixed. So yeah. So that's that. But it's fine, because it was fun to experiment and explore in the depths of Ratatouille on stream. So you know, there's no such thing as losing. It's more like learning, I guess. We didn't really lose anything. I'm just making a big deal out of this. It's fine, and that's hence the name of the stream. So yeah, next time while I'm working on something on stream, I'm gonna check out the latest changes. All right, because sometimes you miss those and then you end up doing the same thing, exact same thing, and then yeah, shit happens. So yeah. What are you guys up to these days? What's poppin'? Tell me about it. I'm just doing Ratatouille stuff, man. Yeah, we're just gonna take a look at some PRs again on the stream, but there are some significant ones actually that I want to check out. And by significant, I mean real significant, like the future of this project type shit, you know. Can I ask some personal question here? Of course. About yourself, of course. If it's too personal, then I won't probably answer it. But I won't, but I will. I don't know. Just ask it, man. Just send it over. It's fine. Ask me anything. We should probably do one of those streams, actually. Ask me anything streams, you know, where people can ask me anything. Don't ask Dox's location. Nobody knows that. Actually, everybody knows that because I dox my location and my IP probably a couple of times. But you didn't probably catch that, right? Okay. Well, I need to just take down those streams now because you can just go back and watch them. Anyways, of course, nobody knows that. Of course, that never happened, right? I'm just living in. I'm just living at this place actually. Wait, let me actually dox my location real quick. By the way, go ahead and ask the question. It's fine. I'm living at this place. It's quite cold at times. You know. You know, I have a room on second floor. You know, the internet is kind of alright, but yeah. Just imagine, dude. Like, imagine living here and just doing a live coding stream. Like, you're literally living here, right? You're like here and like live coding. That would be so sick. I mean, I would do it just for the sake of memes, dude. Just for the sake of memes, I would do it. Yeah. Like your age or when you did start programming and how so cool, man. Is that the question? Age and programming? Well, I started programming while I was 12, I think. I don't know. I was just a kid. I always wanted to do. I always wanted to do stuff about electronics and robotics. That's why I have the robots behind me. I like Transformers. I'm just a nerd. He's 23 and started with PHP in Turkish, which he crushed on stream. Yeah, dude. You know too much about me. I'm a bit concerned about my life now. It's a bit too much, don't you think? Like, you gotta be careful, man. You're entering a very dangerous territory. You don't want to learn more about me, all right? The PHP, okay, that's a bit. That's the line that you want cross. Information disclosure. This guy is called information disclosure, like straight up. So no information actually just disclose my information, all right? Thank you for joining the stream. Regular watcher know you in depth, brother. Of course. Regular watcher or just a opensource agent, I don't know. I don't know at this point. But yeah. Thanks for joining anyway. Thanks for joining opensource guy. You're probably not opensource, but something like that. I don't know. I'll figure you out. All right. I'll figure out what connection you have and like. Just wait for me. I'm just kidding. Anyways, guys. So we wanna modularize Ratatui. This means that we wanna split that into multiple crates. And we already talked about it. There's an RFC. And yes, we wanna do this. And there's some steps to it. Josh very kindly started out with the implementation. So I was like, yeah, we want to go ahead, but do we want to work on the existing PRs or do we want to do the split and then rebase the split changes to the existing PRs, or what do you want to do? That's what I want to figure out today, actually. The stream time is so opposed comparing to here, man. Here it's night. Where are you from? Don't ask for that question. But yeah, it's usually a bit late in some places. For me, it's 2. The only reason why I'm doing these streams at this hour is because I'm just gonna sleep after this. So I want the stream to be the last thing that I'm doing. in a day, in my daily life. So I asked this question: do we want to merge these, or just take a look at these, or what do we want to do? It will be easier to rebase PRs on those. There's some PRs on smaller PRs. In particular, the move into the folder is really small when removing it because it's mostly just a move. When ones that get merged. Okay, so there is this one. Move the folder and create a workspace. It's the first step towards modularization. Handling the move as a separate step rather than combining it should make it easier to rebase other PRs when necessary. Okay, let me actually check this out all locally and see what's up. First of all, let me make my font size bigger so that you'll see what I'm doing. So common mistake, if I forget about making the font size bigger, just let me know, right? Sometimes I sometimes forget, so yeah. I don't want you guys to suffer. The stream, okay, from Asia, near to China. Wait, near to China? Are you in Hong Kong by any chance? Because I might go there for a conference. Bring Josh into a stream someday and do coding together. I want to, actually. I thought about it. And I think he would accept it. But I think instead of coding, we would probably talk about ratatouille because there are like so many ideas. But coding would be nice also. I'm just gonna ask him. Give me a second. What happened to the music? Just stopped. Just decided to stop. Like, it was like, okay, I'm done. I'm done. No more music. Come on. Now I won't probably hear it. Because my audio setup is just messed up. Thanks, Linux. Like, thank you. Alright, now it's not even playing. It's not even playing. No music on the stream today. What the hell? Look at this. Look at my setup. What the hell, dude? What's going on? Alright. Please play. Alright, we're back. Back in business. Alright, going back to this. Going back to my tab. You know the triangle flag? Triangle flag? Wait. Triangle flag near China. I don't know the triangle flag, dude. What is that? Guys, I feel like I don't know. I feel like I'm missing out. What are you guys talking about? What is triangle flag? I need to know. Wait. Weird. It's. Okay, I need to move my workspace to over here, and then. One second. It's hard to navigate. Okay. Now, just pull that PR. Let's see. I think it's yeah, it's mostly just a move. But CI is failing. I need to see what's popping there. Just moved into workspace package. I think this is good enough. Can we still run the examples while using a workspace list? Oh man, it's gonna just compile. Okay. So this is just a move. These are all just move. Only country having a triangle flag, by the way. Okay, I'll check that out after the stream. Actually, I don't want to dox you. Okay, just cargo toml update, and this is also moved. All right. Looks fine to me, but I need to see why. Which part of the triangle? Leave it for now. Yeah, I'm gonna check on my phone actually. I'm a bit curious now that you said that. Give me a second. Okay, got it. Got it, man. Cool. Maybe one day I'll visit there as well. Test backend not found. Okay, so let me actually run that. Cargo make test backend. Turn me on. Why is it failing? Alright, test backend is not found. What? I'm from nearby, let's catch up in Orhun Discord. It's heaven, man. Guys, if you're gonna catch up, let me know. I can just join if you guys want. You know, my third languages in school was your primary language. That's some interesting connection. Test backend not found. What do you mean? Test backend. It's actually right here. Cargo make test backend, turn me on. Test backend. Doesn't really make sense because the test backend is there. Can I do cargo make list or something? List all steps. Alright, let's see. Test backend. Alright, I think it's it says that it's not found because I think it's just failing. And then here we go again. Our music just decided to stop. I don't know, guys. It's just weird today. Everything is broken, I feel like. How do you like next test in cargo? I see more projects adopting that. It's fine. It's very fast. But the only problem with that is it does not allow running the doc tests. So you need to cargo next test. So there's this issue, which basically says that there's no support for doc tests. So you need to run cargo test -- doc if you want to test your documentation code. That's the only missing part, and that's the only downside of it, I think. Otherwise, it's amazing. But it usually Usually I cannot really make the switch from cargo test to cargo next test because of that. It's a bit sad actually. I wish there was a support for that. There's one PR that I still need to finish for cargo next test, man. Oh, super busy maintenance life. I feel a bit sad because I didn't really follow up on that, but maybe later on I will. My sound already died again. Hold on, Firefox to this, that. Okay, let's go. I need to figure out what's going on with my audio setup. Cargo next test run. Right, cargo next test run all targets. It fails probably. It fails because it probably cannot find the workspace member or something. What is makefile tumble monster? It's just cargo make. Just huge build steps or just instructions stuff. Why is it not finding the test backend thing though? It should find it. It's right there. And it also, yeah, it's running the test, so I don't understand. Test backend. Is it? That's just weird. Cargo metadata. Let me run something else. Format. It works. CI. Task CI not found. Okay. Description, dependencies. What's going on here? Is it because there was a new release of cargo make that breaks this or what? I don't understand it. Let me take a look at these ones. Also, which version of cargo next test that I'm using actually? Cargo make, not cargo next test. Just taking forever to load. But it works on main, right? Okay, Termion. It actually works because it executed this thing. So task test backend provide development execute command. And what's the difference between that and what the hell? You dox your location on GitHub profile. Ah, god damn it. Not again. I'm gonna just flashbang you guys for a second, sorry. So it's not a new version issue. I don't get it. Is it some dependency between cargo? That's just very weird. Let me check the changes again. There's literally no changes related to this, so I don't get it. Maybe it's because let me actually copy this over to the where is test backend over to here. Maybe it's about the usage. Test backend not found. What? CI. 1 second. All right. What happened to the audio again? Oh my god, I need to figure this out. You just connect, alright? Just connect. What the hell is wrong with you? Alright, what's... Okay, well, let me do another test actually. The format one was working, right? Let me remove the format. It's just a very weird way of testing things, but... What? I simply removed format and it's still working. Okay, something is really weird. Make file. Today's music is a lot weirder for sure, yeah. Do you like it or not? I can change it. It's fine. Just let me know. List all steps. Let me actually change it. But I need to also do this thing again. I don't know why it's not picking up my output as default. It's just weird. Alright, lint format. Is there anything makefile related here? No. Okay, guys, I really don't understand it. So let me list the steps on this branch and also list the steps on main. They're both the same. Build, test lib, whatever. It's just the same stuff. Maybe this will give me some other hints. Cargo make. I'm just gonna remove the cargo make. Alright, remove the make file. Let's see. List steps. Okay, now I see that it's not picking up anything, which is good. Test. That works. Test backend. That does not work. Why? Test backend. Dependencies install next test. Let's see. So install next test. Oh. Is it because I'm not giving it any arguments or what? But it should actually run it. tasks. What the fuck? And just run cargo check for this. Like I can see the name of the thing in the output. Make file task. Okay, let me do something like task. What the fuck? Dude, like what? Just gonna move it up here. Just gonna remove everything. Cargo make. I'm not sure why I'm stuck on this for so long. Like it doesn't really make any sense. I'm probably just missing something here. Alright, so this should work, right? Let me just copy and paste that, and there's formats. That works. So just rename that. What? Dude. Is it about the naming? Like... Okay, what? I don't know. Maybe I'm just hallucinating or something. But it's you need to define an environment variable so each member gets the root tasks automatically. That's not that's interesting. Okay, so I need to go to here. That's a very small font. Workspace make file automatically extend. Cargo make extend workspace make file. When run make for modules that are part of workspace. Oh, I see. Okay, so I just need to set this, and that's it. Dude, that I was just so like weirded out by that. Like, what the fuck was that, dude? All right, so So this one allow not really allow. Okay, whatever. So now it should fix it. Cargo make test backend and turn me on. Okay, I think that now it should be fixed. Okay, cool. I'm gonna commit this to Josh's branch. Fix make allow running tasks at workspace root. No verify. All right. Let's see if it's gonna work. That's a good idea. Always add a co-author if person had some contributions to my patch. Yeah. Edit. Fix this here. Okay. Edit environment variable to make file toml to fix the CI. Lint docs, this is still failing. Alright, so you need to pass the... let me fix those stuff as well. What? Rust up nightly? What do you mean? Rust dog, all features, Rust dog check. Well, this is not a command, so cargo rust dog check. Or just run this virtual manifest. So I need to pass in the package name. Where is it? Alright, so cargo rust dog. Can I just check for all targets? What was cargo rostock again? Check documentation for errors and warnings. So I need to do this for everything actually. Cargo workspace. Workspace. All. Cargo rostock workspace. Let's see the cargo book. Package selection, target selection. No feature, completion options, manifest options. Miscellaneous. Okay, where's the package option? Did I just... I guess I need to just use a individual package name here. Something like just ratatui, and it should work. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So that's gonna be fixed like that. And how about coverage? Let me fix that real quick. Fix make pass p option to rustlang. I know this song, by the way. Sounds very familiar. I'm laying back and watching from phone for once. Good for you, man. You probably just grinded the whole day, so you just need some chill time. Probably. All right. So why in the world this has failed? So target alcove file. Target alcove. Cargo LLVM cove output path target. Failed to create file, no such file. Wait, failed to create file, no such file or directory. What do you mean? You try to create that file, dude. What the fuck? That's weird. I'm gonna actually run the coverage one. Cargo make coverage. Gonna take some time, dude. Actually, let me do this on my fancy terminal. Oh, it's not fancy anymore because I changed the config. Hold on. I think I was trying out different shaders on my fancy Rio terminal. That's why it's changed, but this one should be good. That joke that burnout is just for deviating others, and grind was really good. Absolutely. How to get more into depth of LLVM, CLang, need for guidance, enlighten me. Dude, I never done that, so I don't know how can I enlighten you on that. But if you're asking for general advice about getting into the depths of some library or something, I would probably say just take your time and read through things, you know. Don't be like me and just take, you know, just skim through everything. I just skim through things on the stream, but in your in your own time, just take your time and yeah, I would say that basically. Read through things. Just reading the code, reading the discussions, and trying to contribute maybe. And the most important step, as Transistor pointed out, reconsider. But yeah, I think it's just a time issue. These type of things are just time issues, man. Cargo make. Translate was a good one. You have a good humor sense while you sleep. Alright, so on my fancy terminal, I'm just building. I'm gonna be back in a second. I need to pee, guys. Sorry. Just a quick pee break. Don't talk behind me, alright? I'll be back in a second. It is a build. My LLVM sense of humor is inspired by personal trauma. Packaging for weight for your personal laptop. I don't know why I'm running tests here, by the way, on this terminal. I cannot even read that. Alright, are we gonna wait for, okay, no. What is Rust LS doing in Ratatouille? Have you considered AVS LC? I don't know actually. Let's see why it's in there. Rust LS. Hyper. I think it's one of the examples, dude. I think we have Octocrab on one of the examples, yeah, and that it depends on that. Now the thing is, there's no target anymore. Because why? I don't know. So for workspace crates, where is the target folder? It's at the root of the repository, right? So it should be there. So why is it failing? Alcove info. Hyper thing depends on Rust LS, and Hyper is using a lot of crates, so applications using Hyper are pulling Rust LS. So if you want to attack the whole Rust ecosystem, you can probably target Rust LS. Or you can target one of the David Tolnay's crates. Just target Saturday. Don't clip that, please. Thank you. That was not an actual advice, alright? I'm just kidding. Don't do it. If you're gonna do it, just let me know, alright? On Discord. Anyways, how do we run this actually? Why is it not working? Let me go to the main and run it here. Is there a target folder on main? What? No. Git ls target. No, it's not a part of the Git repo. Oh, is it because, hold on. Let me pull this again. The title is really awesome. How did you do that? So on the previous stream, I worked on a single bug for 1.5 hours probably, or close to 2 hours, and it was just a single bug, and I was trying to figure out what the fuck is going wrong in that bug, and I finally fixed it. But then next day in the morning I created a PR, and then I realized there was a conflict, and basically it was fixed on main, but I didn't have the latest main on my local repo, and I was like, okay, this bug is still there, so let's fix it. And yeah, god damn it. We're just learning, man. It's not an L, it's a learning, alright? It's not a lose, learning. I don't want to write a crate, but mostly looking for replace RustLS with AVS LC. Yeah, I see. Cargo, LLVM, Cove. Output need to see if this thing has any workspace related things. 2 hours for one bug is still pretty good. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just gonna add the workspace flag actually. Workspace. LLVM call. Let's try to run this now. Maybe it will work now. I don't know. Let's see. Kagami coverage. Well, the good thing is I learned many things about Ratatouille while working on that bug, because some things I really forgot over time. For example, the flow when a widget is rendered, it was not really clear to me. And while working on that bug, I realized the ordering, how things happen and how things being called first, and basically how are the callbacks are working out and so on. So it was quite a good experience, learning experience for me. So I'm not really regretting fixing the bug that was already fixed. Failed to generate report. What the hell, dude? Like, what? Okay, let me run this on main. Let me run this on main to see if it's working. I fixed the lint one. What else is failing? These are not even started to run. Just the coverage, and then we are good to go, man. I just need to fix this one, and then this PR is gonna be merged. But I need to still look over the commands that we are using, because, you know, sometimes you gotta pass in the workspace parameter to one of these things. I don't know if the thing that we are hearing right now is supposed to be music. Yeah, it actually worked here. Okay. Maybe I need to run it here. Let me create a target. That doesn't work. Let me read the documentation. Is there anything about the workspace crates? When using these flags, recommend to first run clean workspace. Okay, let's passing the workspace flag anyways, because we are in the workspace now. What happened to the freaking music again? Oh my god, I need to... Anyways, no music for now, guys. It's just for a couple of minutes. By the way, I'm getting copyright claims for every stream that I'm making these days. Like, one day after the stream is uploaded and just being processed by YouTube, whatever, I get like emails saying that, hey, you cannot make money from this video, or it's not gonna work out, man. It basically says that in the email. And yeah, I don't I get like copyright claims left and right, dude. But do we care? No. We're just gonna make like still making these videos and streams. I don't give a shit, dude. Man, being a maintainer is tough. More companies should sponsor ratatui. Yeah, I agree with that. Just crippling horror silence. Dude, my audio is fucked, dude. Like, yeah, I shouldn't have touched it actually. I tried to tweak something today and then I kind of messed it up. I'm just gonna reboot and then hope that everything will be fine. Well, let's see. Just gonna remove the target folder actually, because it's not working. Seems okay to me. What is that? What do you mean? What seems okay to you? Nezuko-chan. This is the first time that I'm seeing you on the stream, by the way. Welcome. Come on. Okay, is the alcove file here? No. What the hell? I don't want to listen to this guy speak again. Shut up. Let me just... Okay, it's gone. My audio is gone. You probably hear it, but I don't, so I need to fix this again. Sorry. Maintain a life. Maintain a life. With plain text report, if output is not specified, the report will print the STD out. Well, I don't understand what's wrong with this. Merge coverage is generated under different test conditions. Is there any bug report about workspace? Yeah, of course. Okay, do I need to include the... Do I need to do this now? Are you telling me that I need to be specific about the package that I wanna have test coverage on? Dude, what the hell? Okay, cargo LLVM co. I'm just gonna run this manually myself. I need to run it for the ratatui package and create alco and output path is xxx tentacion. Rest in peace. All features, yeah. I'm just gonna skip that for now and see if it's gonna run. But it's weird, man. I was not expecting to run into so many problems when I just move my only crate, move a single crate to a workspace, and then you get everything just failing left and right. What the fuck? XXX rust hamsters. Just make it about crabs, dude. Now we're just gonna because we're just gonna see a bunch of tests running and report saved XXX. It actually saved. What the okay, so what's wrong? I basically run p ratatouille alco output path. Is it about all features? Or is it about cargo make again? Oh man. I don't want to have yet another cargo make related bug over here. The other ones are just good, like perfect. Okay, this works. So I need to be specific and use dash p parameter, dash p flag. Wait, alcove. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend that I didn't see that. I'm gonna just remove that file. I hope it works. So, what was the other? Fix make pass p option to coverage cargo LLVM cove. All right, let's see. I'm hoping to see a all green CI. No verify. And there's another PR, part 2 of this. And I need to probably rebase this. No, rebase that on top of that, or I don't know, backend type conversions move to specific traits. Interesting. Oh, this thing gonna, oh my god, it's gonna be a pain to refactor all of this release handling stuff. But I just got an idea, not really related to what I just said, but I need to comment on. I need to add a comment on, where's the issue? Where's the issue? What, this thing failed again? Hold on, I don't want to forget. Wait, what? Docs RS. Docs RS, what? Lint docs. Okay. Is it it's a part of the CI, right? Cargo docs rs. Yeah. It just disconnected again, right? Fucking Linux. Don't clip that. Okay. Cargo nightly docs. I need to pass the P thing again. Why there's no option to... Oh. There's no option to build the docs for every workspace crate. But I guess this is how it works anyways. Maybe I can add a... Maybe I can just tell them via some issue. Specify P for cargo docs rs. Coverage failed again. That's weird. Is it because... I'm gonna make coverage. It's gonna take some time to figure out what's going wrong with the workspace stuff. No, actually... Okay. This failed and coverage failed. Okay, I don't get it. Is it about all features? Why do the ordering of the flags matter in this case? It should not matter actually. You should just run whatever and then give me the output, and then I will just give it to CodeCov, and then it should be just fine. Why are you making me do this? Okay, ChatGPT, write tests for 100% coverage. I tried that before. It works. It's a alco info, it doesn't work. What? Dude. I'm just gonna use target again. I still need to check the other PR. I'm just gonna take a quick look and try to understand what has changed. And I want to... Oh no. For the... Sounds good. You should probably use what was it? There was one file that you can use to keep the blame history. I think it was mentioned somewhere in here. Where is it? Blame. Git blame ignore revs. So that's the file. When you add this file to your repo, and this basically contains the commit IDs or commit hashes, whatever, and basically ignores the changes. Should probably use this thing for retaining the blame history for the PRs that are just as an that are good enough. Okay, I don't know why this is failing, but when I run it like this, it kind of worked. So you should create an XXX file, right? And it works. But with all features. I still want to read this one. Well, this works too. Like, what? I'm just gonna copy the same command structure. Alcove, output path, whatever, and then all features. If this doesn't work, it means that it's an cargo make. The cargo make bug, because cargo make does some weird stuff with the workspaces. Apparently. Probably. Wait, is it running the command from the workspace directory maybe? And maybe that's why it cannot find the target? Let's see. This is the exact same command that I just run. It worked. Okay, but it's saved in Ratatouille. Okay, I see. All right, I was right. So this is basically running the command on Ratatouille subdirectory, and that's why it's failing. So this will fix it. I can also use workspace to workspace. Yeah. But when I use that, where is it going to run it? Let's try. Because it's gonna run it for each workspace member, but for each workspace member, you end up in a different subdirectory. So where is it gonna create the file? Is it gonna create the file in the last workspace member that it tries to run the tests, or what? So many questions, so many questions. Let's see if it's gonna work, and I'm just gonna not question it if it works. Okay, it works. I'm not gonna question it. It works, guys. Let's use the correct location for coverage reports. All right, green CI. Let's go. There's some stuff that we're probably missing with this PR, but we're gonna just come back to those later, I guess. Right now it's a matter of getting this out and as an alpha release and just test it out, see what problems people will have, what problems we will have, and just fix them basically. Where's the other thing that I changed? Okay, I'm gonna just approve the PR, but before that, let me see. What was that, by the way? There was a screensaver on that website. It's weird. It's just gonna work, I feel like, so I'm just gonna approve it. Approved. Okay. I'm just gonna see the CI green and I'm done for today. Oh, I was going to read this. Interesting. So where's that implementation? Man, I'm so excited to modularize the crate. It's gonna be so good. You'll be able to do much more things. Where is it? Is it in backend? Yeah, there we go, from Termion. And... oh, I see. Okay, it's a okay solution, I think. Come on, CI. Oh, one other thing that I want to do before I go. I want to check out This Week in Rust. Have you guys checked the latest one? This Week in Rust. I think it's 571. Let's see. It came out 2 days ago. Okay, let's see what's new in the Rust community. Oh, my back is killing me. An update on Apple M1 M2 GPU drivers. Oh, this is super unreadable. Oh god. Dude, no, I'm not gonna read this. Sorry. Announcing Toasty and async ORM for Rust. Interesting. It's from Tokyo. Toasty synchronous ORM for the Rust program language. That's interesting, dude. Is it like SQLX but for DynamoDB? No, it's for SQL. No SQL. Okay, cool. I like it. I might actually give this a try. Mastodon bots already spam with Rust news that turns out are interesting half the thing. I'm just gonna give them some stars. Current status incubating. Toasty is not ready for production usage. I'm gonna watch for the releases just in case. I'm gonna take a look at this later. Clues. MongoDB support Vim editing features. Yeah, this is the TUI for taking notes. Nice project, by the way. I like it. Git Oxide. Having made another step, Git Oxide is now owned by Git Oxide Labs, a small organization that helps with the proliferation of the project. They have an open collective. How much money did I have? Where's the funds? open source collective. That's nice. Oh, there's a GitOxide talk now. I need to watch this one. Nice. Very nice stuff, man. I need to watch this later on, or maybe I can take a look. Take a quick look right now. I probably won't hear it because of my fucking audio setup. Man, I need to figure this out tomorrow.
Thank you very much for the introduction. I spare my own introduction.
I still don't hear it.
Also
The
for
fuck?
the sponsorship. It's amazing times that we live in.
Fucking Firefox.
Thanks to Radical for making that sponsorship happen. It's great. Then there's Git. When I say Git, I usually mean the mothership, the main project. And now, as we just learned, there's also libgit.rs, which is the Rust crate that binds to libgit.a, which is the libification. I'm not going to talk about that. Mostly when I say Git 2, I mean maybe libgit 2. It's synonymous to me, nearly. So, GitOxide is the high-performance Rust crate that acts like Gitwood. And this acts like Gitwood is really important.
This is interesting. I'm gonna watch this later on. Let's see, towards safe transmutation Rust. The performance of the Rust compiler. Trimming down a Rust binary in half. It's also a nice read. I'm gonna leave that in here so maybe in the morning I can start the day by reading that. Unsafe Rust is harder than C. Interesting take. Also, I need to finish my tweet for the Rust test suite. I've been slacking, dude. I need to get back to that. Quote of the week: an earnest effort to pursue his lifetime. Strong section title. Which one? Okay, I guess this is it from me today, dude. Fixed one PR, just one, and I proved it. But it's a good step. We have a good cause, and that's it, guys. I'm just very sleepy. I'm gonna actually play something. 3 viewers, 3 people watching me right now. 1 second, I'm gonna play some. Oh, I need to hear myself too. That's a nice song. I know the artist. Any last minute questions, words, anything? Anything that you want to say? Just shoot it. Cool song, must be a famous rapper. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Alright, guys. I guess take care. Good night, everybody. I'll be around tomorrow and probably in the weekend. So catch you guys up on the next stream. And yeah, we're gonna do more ratatouille stuff. Alright. We're just starting out. Get some exciting stuff. So yeah. Good night. Bye. I am out. I finally changed the ending text, by the way. You're gonna see it in 3, 2, 1. Yay. I should come up with something more creative. Anyways, goodbye, everybody.